Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Smart TV, and in today's video I will show you how to clear cache file from Play Store in Google Smart TV. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure from your home page right here, go ahead and navigate to setting icon from home page. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and hit on OK. So the next thing you want to do right here is simply scroll down, continue to scroll down, and then make sure you go to apps right here. Okay, all recently apps is going to be shown right here from the home page right here. However, if you cannot find your Google Play Store from the home page right here, all you have to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on See All Apps. Then it's going to take you right here. Then scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to Show System Apps. Go ahead and click on Show System Apps, and it's going to take you right here. You just have to make sure you keep on scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down, scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to Google Play Store right here. Go ahead and click on Google Play Store. The next thing you want to do is to simply click on Open, and it's going to load all information about Google Play Store right here. However, what we want to do here is that we want to clear cache file to free up storage in our Google Play Store. How do you do that in your Google TV? What we want to do next is to simply click on here to go back. So we want to make sure we go back. And the next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead and simply scroll down and go ahead and click on Clear Cache. So click on that. As at the time of making this video, I have a very few cache files from my Play Store. Just go ahead and hit on OK. And boom, your cache file is going to be clear, and you free up more storage space in your Android Google Play Store. It's that simple. So we can simply go back to Play Store right here, and then you are done. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.